Hey everybody, it's Bob Mortgage, and here's this week's mortgage report. If you're in the market to purchase a home or pay off some of that 2017 debt with a refinance, give me a call or you can apply online at BobMortgage.com. January wasn't kind to the bond market or mortgage rates. February isn't starting out the same. Stock prices have climbed 37% since the Trump effect began. Now, usually the rising Dow drives bonds down. Bonds being down equals higher mortgage rates. But we just saw Wall Street have its worst day under the Trump presidency. The Dow closed down 666 points. That's the worst week on Wall Street in 2 years. So why didn't we see bonds rise and interest rates go lower? Well, one factor may be the continued pressure on the value of the dollar and concerns of inflation. Now, just take a look at our year-to-date bond chart. It's been in a steady slide. As a matter of fact, look at the chart since January 2013. Notice anything? Well, two things. First, we haven't seen bonds this low since March 20th, 2014. Now, bonds were at its lowest level back on September 6, 2013. Second, historical charts show where there is a significant drop, there's always a corresponding correction. Now, I don't know when or where this will settle or how big the correction will be, but it will settle and there will be a correction. The challenge is the lower we fall, the less the correction will take us back up to our former high levels. Now, mortgage bonds are now trading in the middle of the range between support at 100.016, which we tested on Friday and held, and overhead resistance at 100.453. The 10-year Treasury note yield appears to be headed for 3%. If yields break above 3.04%, they would have broken out of a 30-year downtrend, which would be pretty significant. Now, bottom line, I've been maintaining my lock position that I've pretty much held since January 5th, and I will continue to monitor the technicals and stocks. But don't panic. Rates have risen a little bit over the last month. I know we will see a correction in the bond market, but remember, these rates we're seeing today are still incredibly low by historical standards. Look, I've been a mortgage advisor for over 20 years and have been blessed to provide financing to over 25,000 families. I watch the markets to make sure I can get you the right home loan at the right price. I'd love to help you with your home financing options. Give me a call. With Bob Mortgage, your dream loan is already within your reach.